A woman who was probably 50-52 years of age asked me a question, "Aapko bhi hota hai?" When I asked her that how she does not know that her husband does not menstruate, and the answer was that जैसे मैं छुपाती हूँ शायद वो भी छुपाते हो. And for a moment I was quiet. Hi, my name is Anurag Chauhan and I run this organization called Humans for Humanity. It's a joke if people say that people know about menstruation. In Saharanpur, a 32-year-old woman comes and hugs me. When I saw her crying, I thought she was in some problem and I asked her why she was crying. That she told me that when she was menstruating for the first time, she thought it was a disease and she thought she's about to die. She said she slept for 10 days thinking that she's about to die. Now, all of you can understand the kind of trauma she went through, sleeping every day thinking that I'm about to die tomorrow or I might die any moment. So this is the situation of our country. In Rajasthan, even today, women are made to sit on sand dunes entire day just because they believe that they are menstruating, they are dirty, they are filthy, they are untouchable, and so they deserve to sit on a sand dune so that the sand dune can absorb the blood that's coming out of their body. Today also women use sand, ash, dry leaves, dirty cloth, rugs, all kinds of things. Anything and everything that can absorb liquid is being used by women in the rural areas and the tribal areas even today. Few years ago, an IS officer in Uttarakhand gave an order to make a menstrual hut. This is an educated IS officer who says that women should be staying outside the villages when they're menstruating. And in this menstrual hut, 3 women died. Imagine the kind of mindset we have in our country. Imagine how big this problem is. In 2011, there was an article that I read which said that 180,000 women die every year in our country because of poor menstrual hygiene, because of cervical cancer. And this was the time when everyone was talking about women empowerment. Now I wondered to myself, okay, we are going to empower them, but how? How will we empower them when we are not even able to save their lives? They're dying. Everything that is going wrong in our society is going wrong because we ignored it at some point of time. What we all can do and what we must do is to first of all talk about it. The very basic thing is to start talking about menstruation. Start spreading awareness about the same. If not outside, at least make sure of your own family that she's aware about menstruation. That is the least that you can do. Start with it.